Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is banner design. So let's start and find the banner. First of all, I'll fix it here. You can see I'll delete it from here. So let's see. You can see I'm deleting it and also delete this. Now, what I have to do, I want to make, mm, okay, yeah, okay. One, you can see here distance is 190 pixels, so I want to take 190 pixels. You can see, so let's see, 190 pixels, then it will, sorry, I want to give a stroke here. I want to copy it and it will be the 90 degree. Then I want to fix it here. Then I will, sorry, I want to group this. Now, you can see it how it looked like. So now I want to yes, this is okay, this is curved. So I want to decrease its so how it look like. I want to change its color and it will be this color and I will copy its, and now yeah, this is good. This is good, and how it look like, I think it's look pretty good. So I want to change this, change this as blue, and it should be the blue. Sorry, sorry, and it should be the deeper blue. Deeper blue. I think it is very nice to see now. So let's see. Let's let's go through the new page for the banner, and for the banner you have to take 1280 into 420 pixels. So take it. Then I will take. I want to copy this for the new banner, and you can see here and fix it here, and sorry, I want to. Is it okay? I think it's okay. So um, okay, now this portion is good. So you can write here many things. So um, our topic, and uh, I want to change this font and the other things. So now, sorry, I want to decrease its font. Now let's see. Okay, and this is the design of today's class. And the next class I will show you more things. So till then, Allah Hafiz, and see you. Do subscribe my channel, like, share, and comment, please. Thank you all.